Hi, meet Joe. Joe is a homeowner, but Joe recently lost his job and is getting a divorce. He can no longer maintain the house and keep up with the bills. Joe is frustrated and worried. What can he do? Joe found WeBuyTexasHouse.com. Sold his house for cash in 7 days with no repairs needed. Joe was able to pay off all his bills and save his credit. Now Joe has one less thing to worry about thanks to WeBuyTexasHouse.com. If you are a homeowner and need to sell fast or have extenuating circumstances, please reach out and let us know how we can help. WeBuyTexasHouse.com buys houses in Dallas in any condition for cash. If you or someone you know are looking to sell and want to sell fast, please visit WeBuyTexasHouse.com or call 972-666-1033 for an offer within 48 hours.